Huh? Huh? IGAN or IGAN, however you say it. Let me know how you say it in the comments below. This is the IGAN generator cover, and I'm going to put it on the Westinghouse 11500. Let's see what we got here. Bunch of pipe fittings. The actual cover. That's the side pieces. We'll come back to that. Instructions. Who's going to read these? If you're a manly man, you probably won't, but I think I will. So here we go. All right, so we got to put some tubes together. Some are long and some are short. There's a 15.7 and a 16.9 inch, and they screw together, don't they? Ah, here we go. All right, let's put together 6 of those. Then you'll have 6 tubes that are 31.5 inches long. That was simple enough. We got some 13 inch and some 11.8 inch with pipe tees. So one of these pipes is just a plain pipe, and then 2 of them, you'll have a long and a short. They go together, and you'll have a pipe with 2 tees. All right, just like the picture says. Instructions are awesome. There's some of the short pipes. Get these pieces. Voila. So we need one of these. And then the plain pipe. Just like the picture. All right. We're still okay, I reckon. Time to put together another shorty. Well, you got to watch these edges. They're kind of sharp. All right. Got one small rectangle. Next. All right, we're taking some of the long rods, putting here. Now it kind of makes sense. Got a double frame going all around the generator. Now I've got this L-shaped part. We're going to get 2 more tubes. One of these short pipes gets a single elbow and then one with 2 holes on it. I still need the word for that, a corner. There's what we've got so far. And I know this is going here. Do, 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 do. Oh, that one's upside down. Oh yeah, now we're getting somewhere. That can go there, that can go there. And then these 2 long tubes are going right here. And then trying to get all those connected at the same time. Hopefully it won't be too difficult. Get all these joints pressed in tight. There we go. That's a lot of little pieces, but we have a frame. I'm expecting the open end to be the handle end, and it's not a problem with this generator. But so far that fits perfect. Now we got to get strappy. These are the wide straps, and then you've got the skinny ones. So you put the wide ones here, and it says that that is just to hold these together so they don't separate. It would help if I put it through the right way. There we go. Just like that. Don't have to bend it out of shape. Got one for the front, one for the back. And now the skinny ones you attach to the generator. I like these. They're Velcro all the way to each edge. So I didn't count how many comes in that set. What did I do? Did I put this on backwards? Nope, just turned it the wrong direction. So you put one in each corner here, and then it says you double up, so you put two on each corner in the same place. I've got my 4. That's already pretty tight. All right, I've got my 8 straps. I still have 2 left. So one side of this is shorter, so you've got about 2 inches of material up here, and you can lift that flap. That is the flap for the grab handle end. Now, doesn't that look cool? And you can fold these up if you need to, leave them down if you don't. So there are straps on here that you got to put around your frame tubes. That doesn't seem correct. Instruction time. Okay, so it was correct. So you go around the tube, back on top, and then on the top strip. Got 3 on this side, 3 on this side, 1 on each end. That's 8 straps. This thing is very thick. I'm impressed at the quality so far. It's only the first impression. I haven't tried it yet, but I think this is going to be really cool. All those are connected. I can put the top on. Now the top matters. You can put it on in this direction or this direction, but only one side will open up enough to get to the fuel door. And I'm thinking this orientation is most likely what'll work here. So I did have it right. So, bam, just like that, I can get to the fuel door. I gotta line up all these sticky pads. This side has Velcro, the full length, and up here it just has partial Velcro. And it sticks to one. There we go. Oh, so there are straps here that you can tie the ends together if you want for storage, but you wouldn't do that for running. So we can fold this up and use these hooks here if you need to. This is how it'd be set up for when you want to use it during the weather. You can have this side down, so that you don't have to worry about water getting into your cord connector. I'm stuck on a button. What are the odds? I'm being attacked. There we go. So you have your power panel side down. You have your intake side open. You have your exhaust side open. And your airflow exiting this way. And you are ready for the bad weather. And there is one thing I like about this better than the Gen tent, because I did look at it too, and it's that when you're in storage mode, you can keep all your things on top. Your L1430 to 50 amp adapter, it can sit on top. Your propane hose, it can sit at the top. Your extension cord, and then it doesn't take up extra space in your garage. So if you had like a set of shelving, you can slide this under the shelving, where the Gen tent has that big dome that's always in the way. So this is awesome. When I was looking at reviews on Amazon, I couldn't find very many people that would say the dimensions of it. I found one review of someone that had this 11,500 generator and said it'll fit. So that's great. I tried it, it works great. So if you have this size generator and you want this IGAN cover, you can look at the Amazon links in the description below and you can get the same one I've got here. It really took about less than 15 minutes to install. I made it look harder, and of course I'm doing camera work. So that's my excuse. It's not that bad. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. Until next time, I'll see you later.